Hello friends, in this video I will tell you how you can create a pop-up menu in Tkinter by mouse right clicking. You can show a pop-up menu. And also we will customize menu. You can see pop-up menu is looking little bigger, and also you can change mouse hover color effect. Let's code to create. Here is basic code of Tkinter. Here we are creating menu. For create pop-up menu we will use menu widget. Adding option in menu. Add separator. It will be create a horizontal line in menu for separate options from each other. We have created menu completely. Now we will pop up menu in the screen. For the pop-up menu in the screen we need screen X and Y coordinates. Now we will bind mouse right-click event, and using right-click event we will get right-clicked point X and Y coordinates, and using X and Y coordinates we will pop up menu in screen. This function we will be add in right-click event. Here we are binding right-click event. We will be use button 3 event. Button 3 event use for mouse right-click. And the button 2 event use for mouse wheel button. And also button 1 event use for mouse left button click. We will be use button 3 event. Tkinter event will automatically pass e-argument of this function. Using this e-argument we will get X and Y coordinates. Here we are printing X and Y coordinates of the clicked point. Now let's test it. You can see when I clicked in a point, clicked point coordinates printed. Now we will pop up menu using these coordinates. For pop-up menu in the screen we will use menu widget Tk_popup method. Tk_popup method, it will take screen X and Y coordinates argument, and then it will be pop-up menu in the screen. Now let's test it. If I right-click in screen. You can see menu pop up, but there is a horizontal line in above of menu. If you will click in the line, then the menu will be added in separate window. You can drag and drop the menu in anywhere. If you don't want this functionality and you don't want this horizontal line, then follow the step. Simply here we will set false tear off argument to menu widget. Let's see. Now you can see line is not available. Now we need to make menu little bigger. Here we will apply font for make text bold and clear. Now you can see text is bold and clear. And also we need to make menu bigger. Simply here we will use active border width argument. Now you can see menu is looking bigger than before. Now we will change mouse hover color effect. We will change this color when we hover mouse in menu option, the color is showing. Simply we will use active background argument to change hover color. Here I am using this color, you can use any color. So we have created pop-up menu. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more videos.